Lighthouse. Lighthouse was built for leading building service companies that manage a large number of cleaners and assets across multiple facilities. Lighthouse is the command center for your cleaning workforce. Every shift is another test for consistent, superior service that doesn't miss a beat. With Lighthouse, real-time visibility means you'll know where all your workers are and where they need to be. Monitor cleaning task completion and schedules as they happen. Plus, ongoing reports document risk management compliance, help defend against claims, and reveal where efficiencies can be gained. Know where your employees were and when, with continuous indoor and outdoor personnel mapping generated by wireless sensors like Bluetooth beacons or NFC tags. Quickly locate individual workers and use data to optimize labor and routes. See the progress of every shift with real-time feed of all the activity in the field. You can be sure your teams are on task and efficient. Receive alerts for incidents, exceptions, and missed tasks that you can respond to unexpectedly quickly. Increase effectiveness through data. What will new information tell you? With analytics dashboard and daily performance reports, you can optimize operations, lower costs, and reduce liabilities. The details are always in the data. On-the-go tools. Cleaners can use forms within the mobile app to easily show completed tasks, submit issues, and conduct audits. Stay in contact. Improve workforce communication through group or one-on-one messages delivered within the same app your teams are already using for work. Lighthouse is truly the command center for your cleaning workforce. Review tasks from anywhere. Use a mobile app and forms to record task and cleaning activity at every site, and then submit data to populate reports in real time. All forms are simple to use and based on your needs. See who and where in real time. With ongoing location tracking, you'll know all cleaners' location at all times during all shifts. Flexible technology options include GPS, geofence beacons, QR codes, and near-field communication known as NFC tags. Accountability made easy. When cleaners use the mobile's app time and attendance feature to start and end shifts, you'll know everyone is on site and on time. Seamlessly integrate timekeeping events, including meal breaks between Lighthouse and Wind Team, with ready-made payroll information. More control over every shift. The command center gives you a new way to improve management of your teams. Throughout each shift, you'll have a full view of cleaning workforce operation and see all updates as they happen, missed rotations or loops, completed tasks, incidents, and more. Daily assignments, updates, and verification. Cleaners can update and submit daily tasks or report spills or other issues within the mobile app. In the command center, you can also create, assign, and update tasks and issues to ensure nothing is missed. Upload photos and notes to improve quality and communication. Then generate on-demand client-friendly reports. Set and meet high standards. With mobile audit and inspection forms, you can ensure quality, attach photos and notes, and then confirm information with a digital signature capture. Observe everything the way you want it. Submitted audits, new incidents, overdue activities, submitted task lists, triggered duress. You're always in the know with alerts and real-time activity feed. View everything through the app or command center and set up mobile or email alerts to save time and see the activities that are most important to you. Gain efficiencies through data. Continuously improve your cleaning operations with dashboards and reports that show what's going well and what issues need to be fixed. Then adjust, view the results, and repeat. Respond faster to emergencies. If an emergency happens, your cleaners can simply hit a address button within the app. Designated responders are then alerted immediately via email or push notification. Live maps tell you exactly where to go.